Well, hello folks. This is the 2019 Ram ProMaster 2500 van tour. It's gonna be, I'll try to keep it as short as I can. Little outside view. There's our beautiful Arctic turn window we installed. If you can also kind of see the top, we got our 80/20 roof rack with 600 watts of solar panels up top. As you can see, the roof is pretty full because we got the ceiling vent in the back. There's a little space up there if you want to put a storage box, but if you really wanted to as well, I would recommend putting a storage box on the outside of the back doors. But we have plenty of storage, but if you needed more, which when my husband and I were living in the van, we needed more. All right, here's the back, the beautiful back. We got our giant garage with the door that slides open to the inside, so if you needed to access anything from in there, you could. Then we have our 32-gallon water tank right here, our water pump. This is the shutoff. This is the drain tube if you needed to drain your tank. And then over here we have our electrical components. This is our master on and off. Breakers. This is for the solar panels. This is our inverter. And then we have 2 Renogy Bluetooth batteries that you can just download an app and check out where you're at, which is pretty cool. Yeah, look at all that storage. And then we have a full-size bed up here. And we have this custom welded frame for the bed. It's really nice and thin and minimal and really strong. And that's just, yeah, we have our 2 planks of plywood right there. That's the bed frame. All right, let me walk you around. That's our other Arctic turn window. So here we go. I'll start off with the front. We have this chair that flips around. It really opens up the space. Right next to our bench right here, which is also a storage bench. We have this beautiful flooring. And we have a giant pantry, giant yacht fridge. I'll go over all this. Just give me a little visual. Up here we have some storage. It goes way back. And then these are our magnetic window covers. They black out the van at night, and they also keep it temperature controlled during the day, which is pretty cool. More storage up here. These are the chairs. Check out the mileage, 76. And the van's on, so the door is open, the passenger seatbelt light is on. And then we have the backup camera, some cup holder action. We've got 4 cup holders, some more cup holders and storage. And on this side, we got some more cup holders, some more storage. And then we got the glove box. So that's the front area. Then over here, I'll show you the storage bench. We flip up. And then we got a lot of storage right there, you guys. Like, I don't know. It's hard to show you, but it's really deep. These flip down. And then we have our beautiful windows. So we have a privacy screen, complete blackout. And if you click them together, you can also have a bug screen, which is pretty dope. You could do half and half, or you could do none. And then my favorite thing about these windows is that you can have them open in the rain because of how they're made. And they have 3 levels. 3. Beautiful, love them. The other one is on the door, so whenever the door is closed, you'll be able to see it. There we go. It does the same thing. Fits perfectly. And then we have our induction stovetop. It's not plugged in right now, but we did cook pretty much every meal in this fan on this stovetop. It's pretty great. We have this giant drawer, and then we have a knife block, some silverware storage. This is where we keep our cups right there. And then we have 2 more drawers, the exact same giant size. Let me show you a backup. Like, it takes up a lot of space because it's huge. Then we have the sink area. And take that off, and you have this big, beautiful, giant sink. It drains right into a 5-gallon tank right underneath. This is our little faucet. It's pretty great. It does go longer if you want to extend it, and then you can take a little shower outside. This is the master for all of our lights. They dim. So this is for the ceiling. And they don't flicker in real life, but it's just the LED. We have one right here that goes off. And then we have one for the toe kick. Pretty cool. And then we have some outlets. We have some more outlets right here with some USB entries. A little soap thing. This is the remote for our ceiling fan right there. I'll show you under the sink. Here we go. So we do have an outlet for the stovetop right there. It's just not plugged in. And then we have these 2 storage drawers which slide out. This one slides out too, and it's more of a tray. And this is the 5-gallon jug. You just take it out and whenever it's full. It's pretty easy. And then here we have our giant yacht fridge and our giant cupboard. I'm gonna open it up and step away so you can see the grand size. It's pretty big. We stored a lot of stuff in here. And just for visuals, literally my whole arm like fits in there all the way to the back. Same with up top. And this one is the fun one. So we have this pull-out drawer. And then we also have an electrical outlet right there. We kept our water heater and our coffee machine right here, so we would never have to take it out and take up room on the counter. So we just kept it in here, which was really nice. The doors are magnetic. Woo. And then here we have these giant 2 drawers. Also, again, they take up a lot of space, and you can put a lot of stuff in them. Same with this one. Pretty big. This is that door that slides open. Oh, we also have these spice racks. There is one. Here's another. And then here we have our full-size bed with a nice little shelf. And we have another outlet right here with some USBs right by your bed. We got our 2 fans, which are the greatest fans on earth. They like move in any direction. They have a couple different levels. Really, really, really nice. And then we also have the ceiling fan right here. So we literally never were too uncomfortable. And then we have our clothing storage. We have this little hidden lock, and then it just lifts up with a gas strut, and we have a nice little shelf right here to keep things organized. The ceiling fan pulls air in and pushes air out, so it's really nice too. And yeah, folks, so what you could do also is put some nice art up right here. You can put some nice art up right here. You could also, hypothetically, put a shelf or more storage right here if you needed to. But I think art would just be pretty cool. And there you got it, folks. So let me show you the fridge. we wanted to be able to go camping for like a week and not have to worry about food. So it's pretty deep. And this is the freezer. It's also giant and pretty deep. You can store a lot of meat in there. Yeah, that's the van.